Good morning, students. Welcome to part 2 of our chapter number 9, Soil. In the first part, we have seen about the layers of soil, right? That is the humus, then the water, clay, sand, and gravels. Then we were talking about the soil profile, which are different horizons, which have different layers. In that we have seen about a horizon, that is the topmost layer, top soil, which have lot of humus. This provides shelter for many living organisms such as worms, molds, beetles, everything. The roots of soil plants are entirely in the top soil. So this was about a horizon, the top soil. The next layer has a lesser amount of humus but more of minerals. The B horizon, it has less humus but it is rich in minerals. It has more minerals. This layer is generally harder and more compact and it is called the B horizon, the middle layer, right? अपर लेयर से थोड़ा सा हार्ड होता है, ह्यूमस इट इज लेस बट इट इज मोर रिच इन मिनरल्स. Then the third layer, it is a sea horizon which is made up of small lumps of rocks with cracks. Below this layer is the bedrock which is hard and difficult to dig with a spade. Sea horizon, it is made up of small rocks with cracks. It is harder than A and B. It is least fertile, right? And below this, there is a bedrock. Means it cannot be digged by a spade. You need machines to dig after this layer, right? So these are the layers. A horizon, that is the top soil full of humus. B horizon, the middle layer, harder than A horizon and rich in minerals. Then the third layer, that is the C horizon, it is made up of small lumps of rocks with cracks, and under that it is a bedrock, very hard, which cannot be digged by a spade. So this was about the soil profile. You can draw the diagram and label it of a soil profile. Here it is. Like this, you can draw the diagram and label it A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and then the bedrock. Right? It can come in the exam. Draw the labeled diagram of a soil profile or the layers of soil. For layers of soil, you can draw the diagram which is given in the previous page. Here it is. This is the layers of soil, and this, it is the soil profile with the different horizons. Now the types of soil. What is soil? The mixture of rock particles and humus, this all is called soil, right? सबका mixture होता है इन सारी चीज़ों का, that is soil. It includes sand, clay, right? Humus, then rock particles. This all mixture is called soil. Also there are living organisms like bacteria, earthworms. These are all included in the soil. Now, types of soil. First, sandy soil. Sandy soil, you have learned in standard 5. What is sandy soil? The soil which contain large amount of sand, right, which has greater proportion of sand, it is called sandy soil, right? Then clay soil, where there are fine particles in high proportion, then it is called clay soil. If the amount of large and fine particle is about the same, then the soil is called loamy soil, right? Thus, the soil can be classified as sandy, clay and loamy soil. If the big particles are more in proportion, it is called sandy soil. If the fine particles are more in proportion, it is called clay soil. If both types of particles are in equal proportion in the soil, then that type of soil is called loamy soil. Okay. Okay, what is water draining, water holding capacity? We have already learned in the 5th standard. Water holding capacity means the capacity of the soil to hold water in it. This is called the water holding capacity. And water draining capacity, the capacity which it can drain the water. कितना पानी वो निकाल सकता है, फटाफट सूख जाता है. That is called the draining capacity, right? So now think and tell me, of these 3 types, which type of soil is good for growing plants? If it is sandy soil, it will drain all the water very fast. If it is clay soil, it will absorb. It will keep water with it for a long time. And what about loamy soil? It has both the particles in equal amount. So it is very good for growing plants, right? It is a mixture of sand and clay and also the silt. So this type of soil is very good for growing plants. Now, activity 9.3, to know the properties of soil, 9.3 and 9.4. So homework is read 2 pages. We will continue it in the next video. Thank you.